No. She's ready. She just handed me the nail polish. And she's got her fingernails ready. Here, Shirley. Here, let me see. Okay. Put your fingers out.
Bye-bye.
Put your fingers out right here. Right here.
Okay.
But you have to dry them after that, okay? Can't blow them. Blow. Okay. You can't touch anything, remember? Okay. Blow. Blow. Don't touch. No. You have to go like this and you have to blow. Okay, well let me take the pizza and then I'll do your toes. Blow on your fingernails. Jesse. Hey, blow your fingernails. Let them dry. Blow your fingernails. Blow your fingernails. You gotta blow on them. Let me see your toes. She doesn't want to blow on them. No, she usually does. Oh my God. Okay, let me see your toes. No moving. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay. Blow. No touching. Remember, we don't touch. You're supposed to be like this. Go like this. Go like this, Josie. I'll show you.
No.
Like this.
No.
No, Grandma says red.
No, spirit. Thomas Puppy. This is Papa. Oh, King.
Want pink?
King. No. Oh, King.
Is that green?
No, King.
Are you saying green?
King.
Are you saying green?
King.
What's king? What do you want to clean?
I'm a king.
What?
Oh, King.
You want a king?
Yeah, oh, King.
Okay.
My card. My heart.
You want to go, Mimi?
I'm going left king.
I have no clue what she's saying.
Neither do I. Sounds like she's saying she wants to clean, but I don't know.